apologize to all of the women that has been affected by this situation.
So you see what I want to sit there because I'm here to no girl. Una ready for go sorry for this blood clot. Yeah, me they like una have brother. If una see one girl, brother, we should know not take up one bumbo clot woman who do them sit there. We should know not go accept a woman for deal with the brother them where they fuck like dogs have 99 mixtape. Woman mixtape then a splice, you know, them they dub their shot, you know. Them that's a hot dub more pussy does a clap and cocky like a Mama went to used to do you so good. You've been doing it for a minute. You get blood on the head dog. Me not ask them yet you fool. Me can't believe seeing a fucking girl in her mouth on tape. No, you make a girl come out and go say you're a beater, you're an abuser, you're a manipulator, and man used to molest you. Ah, them look at something there. Before you come out a long time, come make we know say, oh, me fall in love with that Jezebel, and the Jezebel possibly gonna fuck up my life. No. You wait till the Jezebel come out here, make mixtape, splice tape, dub plate, come out, come make go for me. Major, me can't believe it, dog. You make a girl go swing for your career like Tarzan to Bumbuckle, but the kill is fuck out, girl. Me say mama too busy, mama a dung in a Bumbuckle throat like Gage did a Bumbuckle play. Mama na itch pan the hood. Mama na itch all the other one with it. Mama, how much would you sucker? Mama, how much mixtape you have? How much mixtape? Major, I can't believe you're a Bumbuckle. Every day one different sex tape come out of all. No, me not see you hood in her mouth or in her hole. Tell me if you used to fuck her, Major, because this don't look like you used to fuck it. Because everybody will fuck it up on tape. I mean, not see for your tape. You look like you never did a fuck, you know. What go on, Major, because everybody will fuck that girl have a dub. Oh, where you're a dub there? Where you're a dub there because this look like a fuckery dancer keep right now, me G, because bad man, if me, hey, I cry to Bumbuckle for your pussy clot idiot girl, you know, man, me G, because your mama, you wicked, you know, mama. Mama, one time I see them sitting where you go out with them, mama, show me and I bring me back to Bumbuckle teacher and Bumbuckle. My brother sick of rams with her, they're so cool out, girl. You lied to me. It's alright, baby. My Bumbuckle, mama, I can't deal with you, mama, you don't lie. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying. He's a Bumbuckle liar, girl. You come out, you come down the man career through your mama, look how you pour out your wall of your pussy. Who you think I go on it, you know? So you look how you rub out. You try done the man career through your wall done. Stop it! No, the wall of you look spliced up them there all over the blood clot place. You can't keep sound clash with your Bumbuckle hole. You want pouring up can't go blood clot, sound clash war, I mean, know you win. Look how you deal with the man career. Dirty blood clot, girl. Hey, Major, I can't believe say you know fucking girl. Where your tape there? All me not take a shame so. Me make somebody find a fuck tape with me. If you have a fuck tape with her, man. Give me some heads or something, brother. Right now you look like a clown, a girl clown. No more sympathy. Not did feel good as. And right now I use sympathy depend because boy, the girl is them everywhere feel it here. The girl is them everywhere feel it for because brother know you make your deal with this some boy, me tell you that straight. Brother, if you know one fuck when you see them. You see what they see one fuck, know them no? Know one fuck when you see them. Me learn my lesson of one fuck when me should have get and cut and me never left. So brother, me know say one more like that can't touch me. Me say a big man for me no. Me can't blood clot believe say you know pass them stage yet. You really make a blood clot light skin girl, light skin Keisha them you know brother. I saw them stay you know. Every girl in your Kirby whole big. You know that bad man. Every girl in your Kirby whole big, my friend. Because guess what now? Them the girl they work, you pussy like Rihanna, you know me G. Work, you know. Them the girl in a rest you whole, none at all, pussy hot. bearings them a burn off, mama. Me I tell you, me G, yo boy, Major, me just a sympathize with your cocky, my friend. Me can't believe say you're not fucking on a tape, my boy. No, you're supposed to feel like a fucking idiot because everybody a fucking girl. When you put ring on your finger bow on the engage, if you're married and you were engaged, you're married to it, don't even fuck it on tape, you to blood clot. Wanna tell me if I did you disguise that, no Major? And which you make girl you did a fuck and I use the one he has disguise, because this look like a disguise girl. You look like say you have a forbidden yamed where it's supposed to never fear fuck and it you fuck and I use a one of a cover. Mine because this girl and I look like a yeah fucking no time at all, brother. Me I tell you the truth. Because the amount of blood clot fuck tape what mama have and you will put a blood clot rare on your finger if you married to him to pussy clot. Now shove your hood all the way down in a tonsil and pan video so it's sad. Right now, you see me come right as a Major every day. One different mixtape with your girl reach for my phone. One different mixtape on your girl a work her blood clot head. You see me like how she can work her head for the public for money. Mama work her head for blood clot, some black hood, cause mama look like she love it with them big and blacking. You in a dirty red girl because I know no red girl, you know, no love no man them black like tar, you know. You just a work your whole like your bumbo clot, esophagus for the man cat you can know say girl you're very talented in the cocky sucking dipper. Mama you better ling. Me think lingers did bad, me think lingers a lingers say she that carry swing. Ling is a vlog. But mama you a suck off the cocky and you not brag. Me say ling a bumbo club vlog about it, but you not brag about it. Me say mama vlog as a vlog about it, man. Me bumbo club because me not think ling can suck off. No dildo. Like how me see her work them the blood clot out there. No time at all. Me not care what kind of bumbo club dildo come up in a house if you mama suck off. He nah work like how me see her work them the blood clot out there, my friend, man. Me nah ask you, man. You, man. Jesus Christ, Herbie, man. So, Herbie, why you so quiet for a while? Because they beat you about the blood clot go fund me. No, the whole I splice thing, them a drop. What you have to say about all? What do you have to say about all of these tapes that are dropping? Right. Worried long time. Okay, so, why you do it, drunker? Right. So good for money. Right, but listen to me, goody. Don't go. Jesus Christ. Come and talk, sure. Come and talk. Mama, hey. Mama, your dub them nice. I love your dub. A good dub. Herbie, hey, Herbie. You can so good. A plus for your mama. You see it? Because, hey. Yeah, man, you take down your GoFundMe and go sell some pussy, mama, cause listen, enough man out there want buy right now. The way you're so good, yeah, man, it a work. Don't bring your tough face friend for not tree some though, cause we are a major hype. We know one that the blood clot can keep buying there for fuck, my friend. You understand me? Mama face tough like a bumbo clot back high tree, my friend. You need to tell mama say, I'm going to sit down now and kind of bring your suck good mouth and your fuck out will come. Whole heap of man there want to put on a one Viagra and dig out your belly, mama. Pay you have to dig out your precipice for your mama. One time the man then done with your whole out there, Major don't want you back, alright, and I still feel like Major that take you back, you know. Major, you disappoint me, you know. Major, I feel like you can't see a ball over a girl. Yeah. You man a ball over here, man. Hey, all out there they talk about man a narcissist. What kind of narcissist? You man a girl cloud. The man sit down in front town and a ball over this a girl will have the 99 man. Them a show 99 hoodie in my mouth. Me say man ball, oh, you think it's a major feel the way about what I say? For you as a man be in love with a yummy that show man a fuck out him mouth and him belly, so you know. The man ball for the yabed. Yo, the man say, Herbie, you make me cry for your title. You want you suck my hood on the front of the Observer.